So today I was coming to the Honda dealership near my place because I need to do a recall and a maintenance on my Honda inbox, and you know, oil change anyway at the car dealership is also so cheap, so I just let them do it. And when I arrived at the Honda dealership, I had a little surprise. Behold, the new Honda Prelude. A lot of hate, a lot of criticism on that new car. I don't understand the hate because I'm standing in front of the car and I think it looks gorgeous. Real nice look. For real, the price tag is there. I cannot read everything. My Japanese is a little bit low. But if I check at the price tag is about 6.5 million yen, which is about 65,000 Canadian dollars, roughly. I can see it's the 2-liter inside. I don't know which package they have on that version at that price, but there's dual piece rotors with front Brembo brakes. It's have also 19-inch wheels on it, and the rear looks nice. I think it's really smooth. It's a nice smooth body. I think it's really like not extreme, nothing fancy. It's have like many nice feature. I think the headlights looks great, even though it looks like a little bit like a Prius, but you know, all cars looks a little bit similar nowadays. The interior is nice too. It's have a nice sport seats, nice sporty interior. I don't know what is the power plant they offer for this one yet. I heard they have like the hybrid. Are they gonna offer like maybe a Type S or Type R or something with maybe like a turbo engine? But for real, I look forward to the car community to see what they're gonna do about that car. I mean, like, you know, everyone complaining about the look when a new car coming out, but once the car community get the car and install a wide body kit, nice wheels, and customize it, now everyone want them. Like, same thing with the new Z, like people complaining, and then now look, the car scene, there's so many Z with body kit, and a lot of people now like and enjoy the new model. So I can't wait to see what's gonna happen with this one on the car community. Honestly, I think it looks really great. I'm standing in front of it and I think it's a nice looking car. So let me know what you think about it in the comment. I know not everyone's gonna like the new Honda Prelude, but I think it's looking great. Now I will have to go back inside to do the maintenance on my car. But if you like cool Japanese car culture review, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Until then, drive safely. We'll see each other in another video. Ciao.